42 out of 44 suspects detained on Monday as part of an Ankara-based investigation into alleged cheating on the centralized state personnel examination, KPSS, administered in 2010, were referred to court for arrest on Thursday. The Ankara Prosecutor's Office issued a detention order on Sunday for 79 people in 29 provinces across Turkey. Teams from the Ankara Anti-smuggling and Organized Crime Unit launched operations at a number of addresses simultaneously in the early morning hours of Monday, and dozens were detained in a new wave of operations in an investigation into allegations of cheating on the KPSS, a standardized exam used to determine eligibility for employment in public institutions. The suspects face charges of forming an illegal organization, leading the organization, forgery of legal documents and misconduct. The investigation was launched by Ankara Prosecutor Yücel Erkman. Out of a total of 44 detainees, 42 were referred to court on Thursday after their interrogations at the prosecutor's office were completed. One of the detainees is a woman who is 9 months pregnant and is expected to give birth in a week, a decision that has resulted in strong criticism from civil society representatives. The pregnant woman was later released on the same day after her interrogation at the police station was completed. On March 23, a detention order was issued for 82 people and 62 individuals were detained over allegations of cheating on the KPSS administered in 2010. While 30 of them were released, an Ankara court issued an arrest order for the remaining 32. Former Student Selection and Placement Center, OSYM, President Ali Demir was detained as part of an ongoing investigation into allegations of cheating on the 2010 KPSS on April 7, but he was released by the court the same day. Fuat Avni, a government whistleblower, had alleged that the aim of these KPSS operations is not to reveal the irregularities on the exam but to cause the exam to be done away with by fueling suspicion about the exam's credibility. The case was initially opened in 2010 after more than 3,227 people answered most or all of the questions on the KPSS correctly, leading to claims that some of the candidates had either cheated during the exam or obtained the questions beforehand. The 2010 investigation revealed that some of the most successful candidates were either friends living in the same house or were married to each other. Claims also emerged that copies of the KPSS questions had been obtained before exam day and shared among thousands of candidates. These successive government-backed KPSS operations are seen as mainly targeting the followers of the Gülen movement, Hizmet movement, inspired by Turkish Islamic scholar Fethullah Gülen. President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, who was prime minister up until his election to the presidency last August, blames the movement for instigating the infamous corruption probes involving then ministers in his government, which went public on December 17 and 25, 2013.